Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can use a kind of different for loop in Java. So let's create a array called numbers. I'm gonna initialize this as being equal 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, uh, so what we want to do is to use a for loop, but if you guys know C sharp, or if you guys have heard of C sharp, C sharp has two different kinds of of loops. There is for and for each, and Java only has for, but you can actually use uh, let's see for each. Yeah, it doesn't have. You guys can see. So, but you can actually use for as a for each loop, like in Python. Okay, so if you do for pass a data type. So this data type here is an integer. So this data type is an integer. So we pass the data type int. We create a variable. Let's create I, and I pass a semi. I think it's a column. Okay, and we create a let's give this a better name. Number. So number in numbers. So if I do this, so this is our variable, and this is a function. This is very similar to C++. Okay, so if I call system dot out dot print line number, which is our local variable. If I run, I'm gonna see all of those 5 numbers. Okay, so this is very handy. This comes very handy if you are uh, trying to write some for loop to iterate over some objects in Java. So it's nice to know about this. Okay, and guys now know. So this was the video, guys. Hope you enjoy. See you guys next time.